Today's discussion is, it's quite obvious that it's been a fad for the past couple years, that once a new diet comes out, a lot of us just kind of jumps on board without even second guessing if it works for you, if your body type is the best option, if you have a sickness or an ailment that might, kind of work against these things. Once a new diet has been introduced, we kind of just jump on board without even second guessing or even thinking if it's even the best thing for us. Now, we all know about the paleo diet, the Mediterranean diet, and now the new diet that has been tossed around for, at least from 2017, the re-announced, I would say, the keto-friendly diet, which is now a popular diet. The good thing about keto is it actually works for a lot of people and has been around for quite some time because it has been used before to help with diabetes. Now, a high-fat diet is questionable on a lot of remarks because most persons find fat in meat, and that's something we don't highly recommend. Think about it. We're mainly herbivores. We weren't designed to eat meat. Okay, if you stick around, it means that you're kind of intrigued on pretty much what this topic is all about. How to start your diet, what diet to choose, which diet makes more sense for you, what kind of food should I eat, should I still eat meat, hey, should I try a keto-friendly diet, am I more of a Mediterranean eater, what is Mediterranean diet, is paleo a good idea, should I go on a fast? There's so many questions when it comes to diet. However, there's a lot of options, and believe it or not, most of these diets actually does work. The factor is you have to know exactly what you're putting into your body, the results of that, and what results you would actually get from that. Now, today, I'm going to mainly focus on the keto-friendly diet because, yes, it is a fad. It has been around for quite some time. It is now reintroduced, and believe it or not, as I said before, it was first introduced due to the fact that it helped with diabetic condition. Low-carb diet is not a new thing. And I think most of us who are nutritionists, we have known that for quite some time. However, most of us who are also new to the industry of the nutrition, we know that these diets are just reintroductions. So, here is a good factor. Yes, keto is a highly recommended diet. What types of fat do you consume? Then I would tell you to look towards the Mediterranean diet, which will give you a safer option than trying to eat high-fat foods that is mainly meat content, because that could also have a harmful side effect. You want to be careful with that. Now, the gains that you have from eating a keto-friendly diet is the fact that you lose a lot of weight very quickly because the body tends to burn the fat mainly for energy, which is a good thing. Now, we have a lot of keto-friendly items here at essentially Alkaline, and definitely a lot of persons that are on keto diet, they will drop by once in a while, or they'll just drop by to definitely try the diet and they'll try the options of sweeteners that we have because they're trying to avoid carbs. High carbs such as breads, the pastas, white flour, wheat flour, and anything that goes with these things is a no for the keto diet. However, there are healthy replacements. You can use coconut flour if you need to, and so on and so forth. Kamut flour if you need to as well. We have the monk fruit as a sweetener, which a lot of persons are now being introduced to. And if you don't know what a monk fruit really is or a monk fruit sweetener, then I'll break that down at some point during this 5-minute video. Now, today I don't want to give you a long stretch of what to do and what to eat and how you should do it. We are here to assist you in guiding you into making the right decision when it comes to your diet. Diet choices, secondary options, healthy replacements, that's our task. Our task is not to tell you what diet to choose, but here's what you want to do. Most persons, and I say most persons because mainly females today are trying a keto-friendly diet because they realize they lose weight, and then there are others who actually haven't lost any weight at all because they're eating too many fatty foods, and those foods would have sirloin, porks, beef, steak, and those could actually have a harmful effect at a breaking down point for your colon, which will cause colon cancer. You have to be careful with these choices and these tasks. So you want to eliminate certain things. Healthy oils and healthy oil options as a replacements are good. So coconut oil is a better option to use. Grapeseed oil also is a better option to use. And you could also use the olive oil, which a lot of persons have been using on the paleo diet, the Mediterranean diet, and now on the keto-friendly diet. Now, the good thing about this entire thing is you have options and choices and what to consume. A lot of vegetables is always a must in your diet, and pretty much you could incorporate any vegetables you desire, but you want to avoid vegetables that has high carbs or starchy affects or effects of itself. So high carbs, carrots, potatoes, broccoli, beets. These things are a no, definitely a no when it comes to these diets, such as the keto-friendly diet, because they're very high in carbs. They're also very high in starch. Right? Monk fruit basically is an Asian fruit, and it's from the melon family. It's been used in a wide variety of ways and options, but keep in mind it's just a fruit. Like every other fruit, such as dates, sugar canes, and a wide variety of other fruits, they could be dried and powdered to make flakes or make sugar crystals. For example, what I have here is the monk fruit, and it's keto friendly because of a variety of reasons. The first reason is it has zero carbs, it has zero glycemic, and it's pretty awesome when it comes to a one-to-one replacement for sugar. It's about 100 times sweeter in some aspect. Most person would say, I would say 1-to-1, but it means that you could use less of this particular product to sweeten your juice, your teas, or anything else to get results. Now, this has different options in a syrup, which could be used as well, basically for your pancakes or to make your teas or your juices to put into your porridge. There's so many options you can actually use with this. Now, a lot of persons ask questions on stevia and if stevia is a good option. We think not, but that's just our opinion. However, try to use things that are more friendly to your consumption for the body to use, and keep in mind that the body uses sugars as energy, and basically that's how it works. Now, the more or less carbs that you have in the system, that affects your weight loss, weight gain. And there are a bunch of varieties of persons out there doing weight loss therapy, weight loss projects, weight loss consultant, and so on and so forth. However, here at Essentially Alkaline, we also have our own therapy, and a lot of us out there know what it is. It's the pounds. Now, it's called this particular title because of what it does. The pounds off does exactly what it says. In some aspect, most person will lose up to 2 to 3 pounds per day, and it does a main particular item. Well, there's a particular item inside of it, which is the Hudia and the Senna, which kind of helps to filter and clean the colon itself. Now, it also burn fat. It also helps to boost metabolism. It curbs your appetite, so you don't have to be craving for food. It also curbs the taste buds, so you won't crave for particular types of food. And that is the goodness of the pounds off. Now, because it's all natural in this weight loss process of what has been made, it actually helps you to lose weight without worrying or being facetious about certain aspects of if it be harmful to you, because it won't be. It does send you to the bathroom, which I think most of us should be going to the bathroom at least 2 to 3 times a day, or every time that you consume a meal. Just like the birds, you should be using the bathroom to remove what has been consumed earlier in the day, or 6 to 8, and to replace that with new minerals, which is food. And there's another thing that we also forget, that food is information. It is minerals. The body requires minerals and not just food itself. So just eat taste is kind of a waste of time, and like get really corny there. Don't eat for taste, it's a waste. But the pounds off is our weight loss therapy. Gets the job done. It's probably the safest option because it's plant-based, it's natural, it's definitely alkaline, which means the herbs here are wild crafted. And meaning wild crafted means it pretty much wasn't cultivated, sprayed with any herbicides or pesticides. It's pretty much foraged from natural products or pretty much natural herbs. All right.
Okay, so I'm here at Essentially Alkaline, and I've been trying this product, the fresh sea moss salad. It's hot and spicy if you like salads like that. However, I was weighing 220 pounds, haven't been in the gym in months, and I've been just trying it. I mean, simply because I like the flavor and so forth, because it's pretty good. And what happened is I'm currently weighing 189 pounds without the heavy duty workout. See, if anybody who knew me before now knew that my stomach was overlapping. Panties could stay up, it was just rolling down, but listen, it actually stays up now. Trust you me, this is a must-try product. If you having a hard time at having bowel movements, this is the thing that will work for you as well. Okay, this will send you to the bathroom, but it's also healthy. Then I'm gonna be trying this product. Trust you me, I think these are, it's very organic, so I think these are really gonna work for you. So please do come on down to Essentially Alkaline and try this.